Tesla's Optimus robot and Hanson Robotics Sophia the robot are humanoid robots. Sophia is powered by Hanson Robotics AI and machine learning algorithms. She is designed for natural language processing and social interaction. She can engage in conversations, recognize faces, and express emotions. Optimus Tesla Bot is designed as a functional, general-purpose utility robot. He is used for practical tasks, such as performing repetitive and dangerous work in factories, warehouses, or home environments. He focuses on affordability and scalability for real-world applications. Sophia is a social humanoid robot designed for human interaction. She is used for education, entertainment, and public relations. It aims to showcase advancements in AI, robotics, and expressive communication. Optimus has a streamlined and utilitarian design with a minimalistic appearance. He prioritizes functional mobility and strength over human-like features. He includes capabilities like lifting heavy objects up to 20 pounds and navigating environments autonomously. Sophia focuses on a realistic human-like appearance, including a face that mimics human expressions. She features an exposed back of the head designed to showcase its robotics. She prioritizes expressiveness over physical functionality. Optimus leverages Tesla's expertise in AI and robotics, particularly from its work on autonomous vehicles. He focuses on task execution, environmental awareness, and safety. Interaction is minimal, designed for practical assistance rather than conversation. Tesla's Optimus is a task-oriented industrial robot designed for physical labor, emphasizing practicality and scalability. Hanson Robotics Sophia is a social humanoid robot designed to engage with humans emotionally and intellectually, focusing on interaction and public-facing roles.